What if I told you that AI can now watch a viral video, actually understand what's happening, and then recreate the entire thing in your brand style, all in just a few minutes?
Lately, but this Clarins Rose Radiance Cream is a game changer. It's so luxurious and instantly gives me this incredible radiance. My skin feels so refreshed and youthful. You have to try this.
Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, not anymore. Today, we are taking a deep dive into TopviewAI, an insane new AI tool that helps marketers and creators automatically remake viral short videos using the power of OpenAI Sora 2. It's basically like having your own 24/7 AI production crew that never takes a break.
I've never been just one thing. I love quiet bookstores and loud concerts. Vintage style, new sneakers. It's all about the perfect mix. That's why this is my drink, the original blend of 23 flavors. Dr. Pepper, the one I crave.
No camera, no editing, no actors, just you and unlimited creativity, automated. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through TopviewAI, showing how to make viral videos for your brand, or any product. By the end, you'll know how to turn a simple idea into a shareable video, fast and easily. Using the TopviewAI feature, you can create a realistic talking avatar, which is a newly added tool. With Product Avatar, you can make videos of any avatar interacting with your product. Design Avatar lets you design your own avatar using just one reference image. With Video Avatar, you can pick any video and add perfect lip sync to it. Using the Viral Video Agent, you can recreate trending videos and pair them with any of your products. For avatar marketing videos, you can paste a product link or upload files like images and videos to generate complete marketing content. With AI Image, you can generate high-quality 4K images and edit them as well because it uses Google's Nano Banana Pro. And with Character Swap, you can swap faces in images or videos. In today's video, we're focusing on the Viral Video Agent because it's the newest feature and one of the best tools for creating UGC content. To get started with TopviewAI, just head over to TopView.ai and don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description for easy access. Once you're in, all you need to do is click on the Viral Video Agent to start recreating viral videos. Once you land on this page, you'll notice tons of viral videos made by other creators. All you have to do is upload your product photo or video, and you can instantly recreate any of these viral templates for your own brand. If you switch over to the Trending tab, you'll see all the hottest videos that are blowing up right now. Just upload your product image or clip, and you can recreate them in seconds. The Trending section covers almost every major product category: beauty, clothing, visual effects, personal care, dietary supplements, and more. Just pick a viral video that fits your product, and you're ready to go. So let's say your product is a beauty item. All you need to do is pick any viral beauty video you like and hit the Recreate button. The Video Agent will instantly drop that template into your workspace. Next, click on Add Image and Link. Here you can upload your product photos or videos, and if your brand has a website, you can paste the link directly. For this example, I've opened a product page on Amazon. Just copy your product page URL, come back to the Video Agent, paste it in, and hit Import. The tool will automatically pull in all your product images, and even the key details for you. You can choose up to 6 images, or go with at least one if that's all you need. After selecting them, click Apply, and all your images will be added to your project along with the rest of your product info. And right here, you can see the prompt the Video Agent will generate. It includes everything it needs to recreate your video based on your product. Once you're done, just hit the Send button, and the Video Agent will begin creating your product video. Right here in the chat, you can actually see the tool analyzing all your media files before it starts the final process. In this next step, the Video Agent will walk you through a few quick settings. First, it'll ask about your target audience, and since this is a skincare product, that option is already selected. Then it'll ask for your main selling point, and in this example, cleansing is already chosen. After that, you'll be asked which country you want to target, so go ahead and pick the region you're aiming for. Next, choose the language you want the video to be generated in. It will also ask which aspect ratio you prefer, vertical or horizontal. And lastly, you'll select your video duration, either 15 seconds or 25 seconds. Once everything looks good and all your product info is correct, just click Confirm, and you're good to go. Now, in this step, the Video Agent starts building a complete smart plan for your product video. It begins by summarizing all your product info, then it puts together a clear video brief. After that, it analyzes your reference video, creates a full storyboard, and then moves on to generating your actual video. Once everything is finished, it'll deliver the final video right here. The best part? You can watch each task update in real time. As you can see, the first task gave us a clean outline for the video. The second task created a detailed brief that includes your product's key information, your target audience, selling points, the video style, and all the technical specs. Then, in the fourth task, it generated a complete storyboard. This includes the summary of the video and the entire structure of the story. Think of it as the timeline prompt the agent will follow to produce the final video. In the final step, simply click I confirm, proceed to the next step, and the video agent will begin generating your video right away. That's it. Once you hit that button, the whole creation process kicks in automatically. Alright, the agent is now working on generating the video, and as soon as it's done, I'll show you the final result. And in just around 2 minutes, our video is fully generated. Let's go ahead and hit play to see how it turned out.
Watch how Korea's #1 cleansing oil melts away my waterproof makeup. This is the Manyo Pure Cleansing Oil. It deep cleans pores and blackheads with 14 gentle plant oils. For the perfect double cleanse, I follow with the foam. So gentle, so clean. I'm not using light guides the camera.
See that? Using just the reference image and our product image, the video agent created a brand new video from scratch. No camera, no models, no video editor. The whole video was done in just a few minutes, completely automatically. If the video looks good to you, just click meets my expectations right here in the chat. But that's not all. You can also tweak the video, switch up the background music, or request any other changes you want directly through the chat. If you want to download your video, just hit the download button. It's that simple. Now, what if you don't have a website? Can you still create videos for your products using the video agent? Absolutely. All you need to do is upload a reference video first. Then, upload your product images. For example, I've uploaded 3 images of this dress. Click apply, and the agent will add all your images along with the reference video. Next, hit send, and the AI agent will start gathering all the product info automatically. It will go through the same smart tasks we covered earlier. All you have to do is double check everything and click I confirm, and the video generation kicks off. Once it's ready, I'll show you the final result. Alright guys, our video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it so you can see how it turned out.
I am absolutely obsessed with this new dress I found. The ribbed fabric is so incredibly soft and comfortable. Look at these cute puff sleeves, and the fit is just perfect. It even has pockets. This is definitely my new favorite outfit. You have to check it out.
So guys, check this out. The AI agent just created an incredible video. The dress image we provided appears perfectly in the video, and all the product details it gathered along with the script it generated are spot on. TopviewAI is seriously an all-in-one platform for content creators, brand owners, and online sellers. TopviewAI gives you 10 free credits, so you can make 2 videos completely free. If you like it and want more, you can also grab one of their paid plans. I've dropped the link in the description, so definitely give it a look. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.